Let's do a guided meditation to help still the mind. Go ahead and get yourself nice and comfortable. Close your eyes and simply be present to this moment, here and now. Become aware of your body. Become aware of the pressure if you're sitting in a chair, the pressure of your butt in your chair, or if you're laying down, the pressure of your back on the floor or your bed. Just become aware of your body. Put your awareness in your body. And simply become aware of all the bodily sensations. Simply scan your body with your awareness from your head down to your toes, nice and slowly, starting with your head, then your neck, chest, stomach, hips, thighs, shins, ankles, feet, toes. Good. Now we're aware of our body. And notice how when we're aware of our body, we're not thinking as much. The thoughts slow down. The mind isn't as active as it was. And let's put our awareness on our heart. Just be aware of your heart, the whole front of your chest. Just allow your heart to open. You can feel the opening of the heart, or you can visualize the whole heart area opening. Feel and visualize the heart expanding beyond your body. Let it open even more. Just let go of control. It naturally opens. It will naturally expand if you just let it. Just let go of control. Notice how the heart is open. You feel open. You feel expanded. You feel lighter. Notice how calm the mind is. We can get out of our head and into our heart anytime. If we just shift our awareness from our head to our heart, we enjoy the silence of the heart, the stillness of the heart. And notice how without the story, without all the thoughts, without the past, without the future, without the identity, be aware that you are simply here and now, resting in your heart. Aware of the lightness, the silence, the stillness. Totally let go of the body, let go of the mind, and simply just rest as this awareness that you are. Without the body, without the mind, you simply are. You still exist, existing as this awareness that is here and now, aware of this open space that is empty, light, and fully present. You are out of your mind. You're free from your mind. You are in your heart, the heart of awareness. You are absolutely free. Be aware of this nothingness, this formless awareness. It has always been here, silently in the background of all your experiences. And notice that without the body right now, without the mind, without emotions, There's just this awareness that is here and now, fully present. So peaceful, so content, so happy, so fulfilled for no reason. The heart of awareness. You are that. Simply be still, stay silent, and realize that you are awareness.